Hello dear children, good morning. Today I am going to start with the reading part of your second lesson, the Olympic Games. The OLYMPIC, Olympic Games. So all of you open your textbooks, open page number 14. We are going to do the reading part of the lesson 2, the Olympic Games. Read about Olympic Games. The world's biggest, biggest sporting event, sporting sporting event. The Olympic game is one of the world's most prestigious international multi-sports events that includes Summer Olympics and Winter Olympics. Prestigious, prestigious, prestigious. International, international, international. Includes, includes, includes. The modern Olympic Games that started in the 19th century were inspired by the ancient Olympics. The modern, modern Olympic Games that started in the 19th, 19th century, century were inspired by the ancient Olympics. Ancient Olympic Games are believed believed to have originated originated around 3000 years ago in Greece. Greece. The year 776 BC is widely widely accepted accepted as the year when the games were first organized organized as part of a religious festival. Religious festival. They were held in honor of the honor of the Greek god Zeus, and hosted in the Valley of Olympia. Olympia. There are several myths, myths, about how Olympics came into being. One such myth is that when Zeus defeated defeated his father Cronus, Cronus, for control of the world, a temple and immense immense statue were built in Olympia to honor him. It is around this temple that the religious festival developed, developed, where people came to worship, worship and honor, honor Zeus. Another myth involves, involves Heracles, Heracles, the son of Zeus, who had immense strength. The king of Mycenae, Mycenae, ordered him to complete 12 12 very difficult tasks, which he completed successfully. Successfully. The king of gods, Zeus, was so pleased with him that he took Heracles, Heracles, to Mount Olympus, Mount Olympus, to live among the gods. He also initiated 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 the Olympic Games in honor of Heracles. The ancient Olympic Games were held till about 393 AD when they stopped. Stopped after the Romans came to rule Greece. The modern Olympic Games were started in the year 1896 by a young Frenchman, Frenchman named Baron Pierre, Baron Pierre de Coubertin, Coubertin. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete. Compete in a friendly spirit. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. The Olympic symbol, symbol with 5 rings, stands for the unity of the 5 continents. At least one of the colors of the rings, blue, black, red, yellow and green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. The Olympic motto, motto in Latin, Citius, Citius, Altius, Fortius means swifter, higher, stronger. SWIFTER, swifter, HIGHER, higher, STRONGER, stronger. Coubertin, Coubertin, felt it described described the goal of athletes, athletes all over the world. Weeks before the games begin, a woman dressed in Greek robes, robes, lights the Olympic torch, torch, in the Olympia Valley in Greece. Many participants, participants take turns to run with the torch through different countries. The final runner carries, carries it to the stadium, stadium, just before the games begin. The Olympic flame, flame is kept burning, burning, until the games close. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony, ceremony. When it is time for the athletes, athletes, to return home, the athletes think about the perseverance, perseverance, and practice that they had to put in for being able to participate in the games. And many of them who could not win feel grateful, grateful that they could get the chance to compete, compete against the best players. Perhaps, perhaps they also remember the wonderful advice that Baron Pierre, Baron Pierre de Coubertin gave. The most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. So this is all about the reading part of the lesson 2, the Olympic Games. Children, all of you go through the lesson, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. And go through the lesson means you have to pronounce the words, you have to learn how to pronounce with spellings. Okay, bye children, thank you.